guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my routine while I'm in quarantine with all of my birds. That's the good thing about quarantine. We can spend a lot of time with our pets, and our birds are particularly happy now that we're home all the time. You can see they're all covered up right now, and I'm gonna go uncover them. Hi Pearl, how are you doing? Aw, you wanna come out? Somebody's chirping. Hi. Let's get you up, Ducky. Hi, Ducky. Wings. Hi, baby. Wings. You need to get Kermit up. Kermit bird. Bluebell. Hi, Bluebell. The birds are just so excited for their food. And I'm gonna let them out as soon as I get their food downstairs. Yes, I know. So this is their chop, and I'm just gonna put some on the plate for them today. So I don't usually freeze my chop. I just kind of keep it in the refrigerator, and this batch will last about 3 days. So I'm just gonna take this upstairs. The birds are so excited. We have food, yes. So I'm just gonna let the birds eat while they're inside their cages right now because I don't want them stealing each other's food and competing. They're really excited, and I just want them to be able to eat in peace. Are you enjoying it? Yeah, Ducky. I put corn in there for you, Ducky. Ducky loves corn. Yes, Violet, you're getting your food, don't worry. And yes, Violet can eat just fine with her beak. It does need to be trimmed pretty soon, but she can eat her chop and her pellets and seeds just fine. Here's Pearls. Bluebell, yeah, she likes to eat a lot. Bluebell always eats all of her chop. Is it time to come out, Ducky? Time to come out? Look at that messy beak you have. You need to wipe that beak off, right? You've got a messy beak. Ducky Wookie. Come on, baby. I'm just gonna spend a little time with her on her own just because the other birds are still eating, and Ducky is not a fan of the other birds. She always wants to be scratched, but then sometimes she bows and she doesn't want it. Oh, okay, now you want it. Oh, see? Yay, Ducky! You want it now? No, you don't? Okay. Do you want it or not? Now you want it. All right, I think it's time to let all the other birds out. Violet, you can come out. Whoa, you're excited. There you go. Kermit bird, Kermit bird, Kermit is a good bird. Kermit bird, Kermit bird, Kermit is a good bird. Kermit bird, Kermit bird, Kermit is a good bird. Kermit bird, Kermit bird, Kermit is a good bird. Kermit bird, Kermit bird, Kermit is a good bird. Kermit bird, Kermit bird, Kermit is a good bird. Pearl, it's time for you to come out. You want to see Kermit? Yeah, she's going to go straight to Kermit, right? There's the 3 birds. Bluebell, you can come out. We've got the 3 of these guys over here. Are you guys together? Kermit. Oh, you stole some food from another bird's cage? You stole food! Violet, you want to see Pearl? I thought for a moment that Pearl was going to go for Violet, but she is staying with Kermit. She is loyal. This is Pearl the barrette. She is a hair accessory. You're like totally in sync. Kermit bird! You want to go upside down? Oh, Pearl. Hi, Pearl. Kermit bird. Wanna go upside down? Oh, wee! Kermit's up there and I have to leave the room for a second, so let's just see what happens. Kermit, he can squeeze through really small spaces. Kermit bird, can you squeeze through there? Show him how you can squeeze through. He's really close. Kermit! Kermit, come! Kermit, come! Oh, he landed on my head. Violet's interested in the toy that Pearl's playing with. Ducky Wicky. That's Bluebell. Yeah. Hi, Bluebell. You're so excited. You want millet, I know. So now I'm going to do a real quick training session with the birds. Ducky, come. Good. Ducky, wave. Good. Turn around. Good. Wings. Good. To the tunnel. Wings. Good. Turn around. Good. Down. Good bird. Ducky, I know you want to be scratched, but the chair is not going to scratch you. Kermit the magnet bird. Alright guys, so now it's time to bathe the birds. Now they don't all bathe every day, but I'm gonna see how many of them would like to bathe today. And Kermit is usually the most eager one, right? Who's so excited? Kermit bird! Violet definitely prefers the spray bottle to bathing in a bowl. You just want a very light mist. You don't want to spray it directly at them, but just kind of over them so it falls down on them. Ducky also prefers the spray bottle. She doesn't bathe in bowls. Yes, Ducky. Oh. Ducky, you're soaked. Bluebell here only likes to bathe in lettuce. Yeah, we've got a bowl of wet lettuce with some water in there. Are you done? This is our fourth wet bird. bird, 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 bird. You guys are so cute together. Aww. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Kermit, are you caught in my hair? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.